Hello everyone, this is my journey and my family's journey on our very first and last DYI renovation. We were 57 years old when we started this. 6 years later, we're almost done. We had bought a bank foreclosed home that had been emptied for over 2 years. And the doors inside and outside had been all removed, and it also looked like the place had been flooded. The electrical wiring in the attic, the toilets, the sinks have all been removed, and there's actually was 2 holes in the ceiling where it looked like someone had fallen through. Living on next week's paycheck, we had to buy smart and work smarter. My husband and my son put in the doors, then the stairs. Did a great job at that. We power washed the cement. It becomes a little overpowering at times what to do first. We can't live in the house, so we had a 5th wheel that we stayed in, lived in for about 3, almost 4 years, never thinking that this was going to be our home for that long time. The electrician was hired, and there's some things that YouTube shouldn't teach you and you shouldn't be doing, and that's one of them. So we got electricity in the house. I wanted to get the kitchen started and renovated first. I knew it was going to be the most expensive. The cabinets, faucets, flooring all had to go. I was on the prowl for some great deals. Went ahead and got a refrigerator and a stove at clearance, buyout, last year's model. And what I really liked about it is I could get the feel of the kitchen on where maybe putting an island. So I saw this big boil in the paint, and I started peeling it off, and it kept on peeling. And I literally peeled the paint off all the walls, 100% in the house. It definitely made it smell a little bit better. So there's the kitchen. Went ahead and put white paint on the lower cabinets. Figured it was going to be a while before we could afford cabinets. Top cabinets went, and then the cabinets went, and I could see where an island was going to be, how big I wanted it. Had lots of time. We bought a clearance cabinets from H.H. Gregg that was going out of business. Got a great price on them. However, you were kind of missing things, and it wasn't suited for our kitchen, so we had to put it together like a puzzle piece. So the soffits went. That's my husband and my son figuring out what goes next. Lower cabinets. There was a wall there. I wanted things opened up. We needed the space because, like I said, the cabinets were a puzzle piece, so we needed that little extra room. It left holes in the ceiling and the floor, which all had to be repaired. Thank you, YouTube, for teaching me how to drywall. And thank you for YouTube for teaching us how to put flooring down. Flooring went next. Tile, I decided on herringbone simply because it's the easiest to disguise mistakes. Had to fix the flood damage. Had to actually tore the molding and the window trim out and drywalled it in. That's the finished product after painting, putting blinds in. Now it's time to put the cabinets in. These are Lowe's cabinets, painted them. Then put siding, a tongue and groove siding on the end and in the back. Also put electricity in there. 2 plugs, because like I said, I had time to figure this all out what I wanted. Got a granite top. I knew that I wasn't going to be matching, so I wanted to get colors that could incorporate into each other. That's one of the cabinets, the pantry cabinets. It had to actually be cut down. So my husband narrowed it, put the doors on it, and there we have that. Starting to actually look like a real kitchen now. Next, I had to get some cabinets above the refrigerator and freezer. And this is the final walkthrough on the finished product. I went ahead with the black backsplash to match the granite in the island. The granite top in the cabinets is brown. It's got black in it, so I figured it would incorporate the brown. Tile gray, which basically goes with anything and everything. My TV, and then that's with the wall missing. So it did open it up for me, and I was very happy with the results, and it was fairly inexpensive. So this is our next bathroom. Again, I want the wall out. Took out the shower and the bathtub, and surprise, there's a hornet's nest. And then a big hole in the floor, and the plumbing was all kind of backwards. The ceiling had to be scraped because it was falling down, and bought a shower pan from Lowe's. Learned how to tile and grout and fix drywall and overspray. Put in the shower door, and this is the final product of bathroom number 1. Everything there, 80%, I was able to get on clearance. And we did 100% between the three of us, the work. Big hole in the wall, that's the fireplace. What do you do with that? Leftover, peeled the paint off the walls. Had to repair that and prime it. Put the cabinets from the kitchen. My husband cut some down and shaped it because the fireplace is in the corner like that. Went ahead and got some air stone from Lowe's and got a wood piece of, I believe that's walnut, no, it's maple. Sanded it, varnished it, like $100. Of course, have the live edge out so that you can see it. Had leftover air stone, so you got to keep everything. And I thought I might have a use for it if it would work. I have on the other side of the fireplace a wall, power washed outside on the front porch, and that is just power washing. Painted the railing, and I thought that was pretty good, very inexpensive. Hallway front closet, also had an air conditioner vent in it. Had to repair the mold from the flooding, find a front door, fix the hole in the wall because I'm taking the air conditioner vent out, and also the flooring needed to be reinforced. Got the doors in, got the flooring fixed. Tile, I wanted the tile to come all the way across from the kitchen to the front foyer. And this is the finished product with that. As you can see, the air conditioner vent's gone. Front doors, got that on clearance. Very, very lucky on being at the right place at the right time and not being really super picky. So the leftover air stone I thought would look really nice under the countertop there. So we went ahead and primed it and then put that on, and I thought it was very eye appealing. Master bathroom, toilet in the corner, big old shower, everything stolen out of it. So we had an empty room, didn't quite know what we wanted to do. Around the windows, the soffits and everything had to be removed. Shower, tile, base, everything removed, replaced with a custom shower base. My husband said, you don't like the toilet in the corner, how about a water closet? So he built me a water closet, so you have their privacy. That's my mom in the first shower, and that's the new shower. This is the actual walkthrough after everything is done. I didn't know what to do with the corner there, so we put a jacuzzi tub, water and jets. It has a waterfall and also colored lights in it. The sink cabinet, bathroom cabinet, had gotten at Sam's. The top was broken, so we got a custom granite top to go on. I think it looks a lot better anyways. That's my water closet. Has a pocket door there. The shower actually has 2 shower heads in it. Rain shower and a regular shower with a handheld nozzle. Double towel rack. And I went ahead and took leftover tile from the shower and put that on the wall there by the bathtub. I'm not professional. I just see something that I like. I'm the one who's got to look at it. It's got to make me happy. So if you're remodeling anything, what's going to make you happy? What's going to please your eye? What's going to work for you? Water closet. Found 2 boards, black walnut, sanded them down, varnished them, and my husband put them up for floating shelves. I love them. The mirror and the light there got from Disney. That was in one of their resorts, Wilderness Lodge in Coronado. When they renovate, they discard stuff and you can buy it at discount. We got lucky. So the flooring is next. Thank goodness we didn't have to pull carpeting. Had to fix the damage, figure out what type of flooring we wanted. We went with AquaGuard. Got that at Floor and Decor. Put that in. That was my my wet area in front. There's a room between the master bedroom and the bathroom. Didn't quite understand it, so we gutted that. And we broke it up into 2 separate rooms, a closet area and an office area. That is wood that we found, walnut, and sanded it, stained it, and that's going to be my desktop. Put double doors separating the living room and the bedroom area. And this is the final walkthrough with that. To the right is the closet / storage area. I put in a lot of shelves and storage. Also, we have a freezer, chest freezer in there. And also that is where our water heater is, which is on demand. We have actually 2 on-demand water heaters for the house. More storage cabinet. And my office area. The cabinets underneath were Lowe's, raw wood, stained it, varnished it, and made it a little bit shorter. My husband broke it down for me. That's the walnut that stained and varnished. It looks absolutely beautiful. The picture doesn't do it justice. That is a perfect work area for me. I love it. Nice and quiet, just close the doors. So this is the end of part 1. I have lots of rooms to do still. We're almost done. Got the outside to do, laundry room, another bathroom, clean up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and put a comment down for me. I appreciate everything. Bye-bye.